All right, guys, so I do have the truck fully done now. It was just at alignment yesterday, and they said that my tie rods were maxed out and the wheel still needed to go in more. So what I ended up having to do was cut off some of the outer and the inner tie rod, and then it was able to suck in more. So I brought it back today and they got it fully aligned. The only thing is that my upper control arm, since I did stretch out the suspension lift kit, and I did get one, like, still, like, you know, a lifted upper control arm, but it still didn't kick out my wheel far enough. So my camber and caster is still off just 1 degree. So it will wear the inside of my tires, but I guess that's what I get for stretching out my lift kit. So I guess I just won't be able to drive it too much, or else I'll wear out like $1,000 worth of tires. But also in the rear here, I got another inch added and everything's fully tightened down now. So I mean, the truck is sitting really level now. Oh, I did get my tailgate fully on now too. So if I find the latches here. So I just had to get new hinges. I think that's what they were called. And now that works. So now I just got to fix the tailgate. Got scratched up and got a few dents from falling over and it being slid around in the box and whatnot. But that's all good to go now. I put all my heat shields on. So I got the one right there on. Oh wow, that's really hard to see. But got that one on. Y'all can see that one. And then if we look underneath here, you guys can see got that one on and the one behind it. So those are all on now. And then this CV shaft right here, I think I talked about it and showed you guys. So I got a new one ordered today, FVP one, which is factory motor parts. They sell GM replacements. So I got that put on there, and here is the old one. As you can see, it's, you know, falling off of the shaft. So no more of that. Should be good to go. Oh, I wasn't able to get my sway bar put on because you can see the bolts kind of hanging down right there. Because the bushings I got, I wanted the blue ones, and they were Moog. And apparently, you know, because blue would look really good and it would match, you know, all the rest of my blue stuff. They were 34 millimeter, and apparently my sway bar is 36 millimeter. So, you know, no big deal. I looked it up on the computer. They're, you know, pretty close to me. It's just, you know, we're already closed today, and, you know, obviously I got to work on my truck after hours. So I'll order those in the morning and I can get my sway bar put on tomorrow. So no big deal. Just got to wait another day. So, you know, no worries there. But also another thing is I'm going to get new headlight or mirrors. So maybe I'll put these on my other truck or something. Because the other ones I had, so the adjusters don't work at all in these. I don't know what the deal is, you know, whatever. And I don't like how the sequentials are. The original ones I had when I first paint matched the truck back in fall, the first time, I liked the sequentials better. I don't know, they're definitely different. And those were paint matched and they had a lot of runs in them. So if I wanted to put those on my other truck, I'd have to fix a lot of the runs and stuff. And I mean, these are, you know, good to go. I mean, you just gotta have it set and then, you know, you can't adjust it. But what I would really like for this truck is obviously a really nice pair with sequential turn signals with working adjusters. And I would love to have power folding mirrors. Don't know, I mean, you know, obviously it's gonna be a lot of money if I do find a pair for this. And hopefully there's a kit to wire it in. So yeah, there's that. And then the next thing is, as you can see right there, I don't know, a lot of people say that the paint job looks good, but guys, I built this to be a show truck. You can see the hinge right from the gas door right there. So I'm just gonna wet sand the whole box down, add one more thick coat of paint over it to just kind of bury all that stuff in, because it is kind of misty and stuff. And then we clear it, and then hopefully the whole side will match. And then obviously I gotta fix my tailgate, so I'll paint that at the same time so that that'll match. And then I did accidentally back into a fence, so maybe I'll repaint my rear bumper too and fix that as well. So anyways, besides all that, you know, it's just putting my wiper arms on and some brackets under the hood for the fenders and stuff. And then, I mean, obviously I gotta paint match my headlights and taillights still. And then do all my lighting, like the light bars, the pod lights, the bow tie, and all of that good stuff. But that is yet to come. I just needed to get all of the drivability and drivetrain and suspension all done first. And now that all of that is finally done, you know, minus a few touch-ups in the paint and whatnot, and a few other, you know, things. But now that all that's done, it is basically ready and street worthy to start pulling up to shows. Although it is not done, but I mean, it's close enough. And you know, maybe I'll put the wheel spacers back on the front too, because I got the spacers on the back but not the front. And it's got a full 9-inch lift in it now. So you know what, there you guys have it. I guess, I mean, it'll be a while until, you know, I get this posted on my channel, because right now it's like, I don't know, probably like July 21st, I want to say July 20th maybe. But you know, nevertheless, leave me some comments on what you'd like to see done, or anything that you'd change, or, you know, just, you know, give me some feedback. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the truck build, and it is definitely not done, but should be roadworthy. So I'm gonna get some stickers put on my windows, you know, of the, you know, channel and stuff. And you know, maybe you guys will catch this at some shows and some meets. So there you guys go. I will catch you in the next one.